Anjana here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a bit special. We get lot of inquiries whether we provide coaching for doctors. We have already made a video on this before. But as we are having many new subscribers to our channel, this video is made today to be useful for all of them. In the doctors category like MBBS, we get lot of inquiries about dental category. Many dental doctors are contacting us for BDS coaching. So in today's video, I am going to discuss about BDS coaching. So let's see what are the features of the classes. We provide classes having 3 months duration, 45 days lecture, 45 days discussion and mock test. This is how the class will be. Recorded classes through WhatsApp is also available. Classes are also provided through Zoom Meet for those who attend class in live sections. The time of live classes will be from 7:13 p.m. to 9:13 p.m. Hard copies of full study materials are also available. For those who don't need classes, only study materials is enough. Study materials are also provided for them. In addition to all this, these are classes with 100% success rate under highly experienced faculty members. Those who want to pass the exam in the first attempt, you can take our coaching without hesitation. Our classes have many features like individual attention training, friendly and supporting faculties, and efficient guidance. You can directly contact your office for taking admissions. To know more about the courses and the course fee, you can directly contact your customer care number. That's all about today's video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. Don't forget to share this code with your friends and colleagues. See you in another video. Until then, stay tuned. It's me Anjana signing off.